So I just talk about Westmoreland having a 50 people, like 50 people murdered in the first half of the year. And then this story pops up. It says kidnappers free 5 in Westmoreland after Jamaica 125,000 ransom paid. So people, all the whole people for ransom in Jamaica. I thought that was very foreign. No, but that's neither here nor there. And it says, forgive me for the shaking up of this camera. It says kidnappers in Westmoreland released 5 persons on Wednesday after a ransom was paid. The victims included 3 women, a male, and a 7-year-old daughter of one of the women, according to detectives assigned to Jamaica Consolidated for Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Branch (CTOC), who are now probing the incident. Reports are that about 3 a.m. armed men invaded 2 homes in the Galloway district of Westmoreland and robbed the occupants of a Honda-inspired motor car, 2 poker boxes, and Jamaica's $34,000 before taking them hostage. The common-law husband of one of the victims was also injured during the incident, police said. Hours later, about 10:30 a.m., according to investigators, the hostages were released after a sum of $125,000 was paid over to the culprits and the stolen vehicle returned. Police have launched a manhunt to apprehend perpetrators. And somebody commented and said, Minister of National Security and the not-so-new Commissioner of Police tell Jamaica now whether tackling crime in sugar and tourism-rich Westmoreland is national priority or not. The public has zero heightened policing as if it is as business as usual. This lack of focus and sustained policing emboldens the criminal element. Someone in authority have some pride and take some responsibility and responsible action to secure the life of Jamaicans. And somebody else commented and said, wow, I remember I used to walk that community with a bottle torch. Duppy was the only thing that was bad then. And honestly, I talked about this in my other video. Like Westmoreland is not a place known for a lot of crime and violence. But the more and more the year goes on, the more it's getting worse, the more it's getting heightened. And I don't see anybody bringing national coverage or national awareness to Westmoreland. It's all about Montego Bay and Kingston. And it's disheartening to me because Westmoreland makes a lot of money as far as tourism goes for Jamaica. Because Negril is a tourism attraction. That's where a lot of tourism or tourists go when they go to Jamaica. Or that's where they stop off when they go to Jamaica. So, the state of emergency being Kingston and Montego Bay, and their crime rate has been reduced for, well, Montego Bay crime rate has been reduced 70%, but Montego Bay crime rate has reduced while Westmoreland crime rate has skyrocketed, and nobody is saying anything. No one is bringing national coverage to it. Nothing is being done. And Westmoreland I come from, and anytime I see these stories, it's very shocking to me because most people know Westmoreland as being country. Okay, them used to laugh off of you when you tell them say you come from Westmoreland. Like literally laugh off of you. So now Westmoreland have become this bad man place that people are getting killed, crime and violence. I even saw one story where a red ground, they were having a grave digging for somebody that died, and they came and shoot up the grave digging and shoot 2 people at the grave digging. Like, how far does it have to go for something to be done? How far? I guess somebody have to, like, the criminal them have to go in a one church and shoot somebody in the church for it get Andrew Holness attention, or it gets the media attention, or it gets or commissioner of police to do something about it. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that this is going to be a continuous cycle of people holding other people for ransom in Jamaica? Yes, Jamaica has a lot of issues as far as economic stability is concerned, and that's why a lot of these crimes are happening, because people want to thief other people money and then ready for other people things, and then don't want to work and all these other stuff. But do you think like holding people for ransom is going to be another way of these criminals getting paid or getting handouts or payouts in Jamaica? Comment what you think about Westmoreland having 50 murders as of April. What you think about everything I said in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.